this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this fun fold card with the sweet ice cream bundle. So this fun fold card opens like this, and then you can write your message inside. So I'm going to show you how I created this card. So first I started off with a 5.5 by 4 1/4 base, and then I have a 5 1/4 by 8 folded in half, and I have embossed the front with the brick and mortar embossing folder. Then I have some Ice Cream Corner Designer Series paper, 3 by 3 inch, and I have cut it diagonally. And now I'm going to score it at 1/2 inch. So I'm going to use my Stampin' trimmer, and I'm going to line this up at 1/2 inch. And I am just going to score right there at 1/2 inch. And fold that down. And same thing with this triangle. Score. And fold that down. And then I'm going to go ahead and trim off these little pieces right here. And I am going to adhere these to the back of this piece right here. So I'm just going to put some Stampin' Seal Plus. I want something stronger than just regular Stampin' Seal. Just going to line this up here. And same thing on the other side. Okay, so that's gonna be, make sure I get this right side up. What flips right here. So now I can adhere this piece down to my card base. Now on the inside, I can place this piece, and this piece is 3 3/4 by 5, so 3 3/4 by 5. But first I'm going to stamp Happy Birthday inside, and I did it in Gorgeous Grape. Okay, so we're gonna fold this all up, and now all we need to do is add the front flap. So the front piece is 2 3/4 by 4 1/4. And it goes like this. So I'm only going to put adhesive on this very top flap, just a little bit right there. And then I'm going to center this, both of these, like that. And then you can use designer series paper on here, which I did here. But for this one, I'm gonna just use some basic white. So this is 2 1/2 by 4. And then I've already stamped and cut out my popsicles. And then I've used the ornate frames to cut out my label. And I'm going to stamp Treat Yourself in Gorgeous Grape. And we'll put these all on dimensionals. Now these ice cream popsicle are really fun to stamp. Here's the stamp set. So you're going to use a combination of this stamp and this stamp to create this duotone popsicle. So I stamped the bottom in Bermuda Bay and the top in Coastal Cabana. And then this one is Gorgeous Grape and Highland Heather to create that duotone two-color look on the popsicle. And then just stamp the little popsicle stick. You could do the outline if you wanted to, and the little wood grain on there as well. And the sprinkles you could do too. You could even use this inside the popsicle stick, like the little insets in the popsicles. So lots of fun things that you can do with this stamp set. And there's a coordinating punch, the ice cream cone builder punch, that punches out the ice cream and the cone. So all of these will be on dimensionals. So we'll put the Bermuda Bay one up here, and then Gorgeous Grape one, tuck it under right over here. So cute. Love these popsicles. And then Treat Yourself. And then we've got our Fun Fold Sweet Ice Cream card. Isn't that a fun way to do a card? Super fun. Thanks so much for joining me for this fun fold card. I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out all my other sweet ice cream video tutorials. I'll see you next time.